Hello guys, welcome to HusniFX channel on YouTube and Telegram or also on Facebook. In this video, I wanted to explain to you how to install HusniFX price action strategy. On this strategy, I would like to share with you on price action. I compiled indicators which I have tested it as for like 3 years. So these indicators will help you exactly to shorten on how you would trade on the charities or MT5 terminals without not drawing many tools. So you will see clearly every price action and also patterns or key levels of the market, entries, and everything that is based on price action. So I want to show you how you can install it. After you get the tools and templates of my strategy, then follow this instruction to install it on your MetaTrader 5. Now you will go and extract these indicators, then copy it. When you copy it, you go MetaTrader 5 and open it 5 and then go open data folder. When you open data folder, then open MQL5 and then you will also open again indicators, then paste. So it means I already have this destination already contains a folder named indicators, and this is the indicator, so I will replace it as I already have it, and then I will do and replace all the indicators. The next thing I will do or you will do is copy the HusniFX price action template. So when you come again, you will go the MT5 and then open file and then open data folder. When you open, then again open MQL5 and then open profiles, then open templates and then put it here or place it here. You will paste it, you will paste it here. As you can see, I already have this as it is here, so I will replace it, and then I will say close it. I will go and right click one of the custom indicators, the indicators that I have placed, one of them, anyone that you want, right click and then refresh, right click and then refresh, then come on the main charity, right click on it and then go templates and then you will load it. Do not select the one here, load it, and then when you click load it, you will see here the templates you have placed here is here, and then click and open. You can see that is it. You don't need to do anything else. So in order to have it all the time, you can resave it. Click and then templates and then save my template. So you already have it. Click it and then save it, and then it will say you already have, yes, and then that is it. So now you can add any asset you have on here. So like this is VIX 10, so I would like to start my first boom 1000. So I will close my previous one and then I will right click it and then template. Oh, it will not how I have in your MetaTrader 5 because I closed the colors here or candles here, but you will see everything on your main chart. So you will say right click and then click or select the HusniFX price action strategy. Okay, open again boom 500 and then right click and then add it. Okay, price action, and then open boom 300. Okay, and then say right click, add it. So you don't need to worry, everything is done already. You will add all assets that you wanted to work, okay, that you wanted to trade in. So you are not worrying, everything is done, guys. Everything is done easily. So okay, now maybe I have added the crashes and also booms. So now I want to add the step index, and then I will go on step index, and then I will add fix 75. I will add it, and then I will add also VIX 100S with one of my favorite assets. Okay, and then save that. So now you can see that I have added the setup or the price action, the strategy setup in every asset. You can see that I have added everywhere. So that is exactly helpful for you guys, and you can see that I have added it simply. So now you need to know how it works. I will show you in the next video how to identify the trend of the market using this strategy setup. Thank you and bye bye.